Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of removing the shipping calculated at checkout option on your Shopify store. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Demonstrating the issue. Right now, I'm on my Shopify product page, and as you can see, we have the tax included and shipping calculated at checkout option here. It's time to get rid of it. Step 2. Navigating to the settings. To begin, go to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, navigate to the Online Store section. And then see the themes, and click Actions and selecting Edit Default Theme Content. Step 3. Searching for the shipping text. In the language settings, you'll notice a handy search bar. Let's use it. Type in shipping calculated, and you'll instantly find the relevant text strings. Typing shipping calculated in the search bar and showing the results. Step 4. Editing the text. Now, let's make the necessary changes. First, locate the text that says shipping calculated at checkout. Delete this text. Deleting the text and typing in new text, and replace it with your desired text. In my case, I'll put free shipping. Step 5. Repeating for the second box. Next, copy the same text you just edited and paste it into the second box. And then search the calculate. And then Shopify see the results. And then paste the two boxes. Step 6. Saving the changes. Now that you've made the necessary changes, it's time to save them. Now it's time to check. First, open the same page and refresh it. Now see the result. They can be changed. Congratulations! You've successfully removed the shipping calculated at checkout text on your Shopify store. If you're seeking assistance with anything Shopify related, feel free to get in touch through my LinkedIn profile. Just click on the link below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more